Welcome to this step-by-step guide on enabling the top toolbar in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and make a simple change that enhances your site's administrative experience. Let us begin by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, focus on the top right corner where you will find the login option. This is the starting point for accessing all the features you need. After clicking on the login option, a new screen will present itself where you have several sign-in methods available. In this case, we recommend clicking on the button labeled Continue with Google. This method simplifies the login process by allowing you to choose your pre-recognized account without the need to type a username and password manually. Select the account you wish to use when prompted. This choice makes it easy to move forward with accessing your WordPress site. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section. This area typically hosts several useful shortcuts to different site management tools. From here, locate and click on the Edit Site option. By doing so, you will transition into this site editor area, where you can make numerous changes to your site's appearance and functionality. When you are inside the site editor, focus on the top right corner of the screen, where you will see a menu icon represented by 3 dots. This icon is part of a compact menu that groups several site-wide settings together in one place. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional options. These provide a straightforward path to adjusting specific preferences that affect how your site is displayed. After revealing the extended menu, you will be presented with a list of settings. Look for the option labeled Preferences and click on it. This section holds various configurable settings to tailor your site's editing environment. Carefully review these options as they can affect how you interact with the site's backend. Within the Preferences section, locate and proceed by clicking on the Appearance option. This part of the settings menu governs the visual aspects of your site, as well as the user interface of the editor itself. Once you click on Appearance, you will be presented with several customization options designed to refine your editing experience. Among these visual customization options, find the toggle for the top toolbar. Simply turn on this feature to enable the top toolbar on your WordPress site. Activating the top toolbar improves access to essential tools and offers a more streamlined interface during your site editing sessions. By following these clear steps in order, you have enhanced your workspace in WordPress, making it easier to manage and view the tools you frequently access. This comprehensive process, from logging in with your preferred account to navigating through the preferences and appearance settings, illustrates just how simple it is to customize your WordPress administrative environment. Enjoy the improved workflow with the new top toolbar, and continue exploring more ways to optimize your experience with WordPress.